welcome back. All right, so I've tried to be consistent, and the only way I could do it but was by making like 5 or 10 videos in one sitting, and that's what I'm doing, which is why I'm repeating the same clothes. If not, I will slack, yeah? So please bear with me. All right, what are we talking about today? If a man wants you, you will know. Okay. It's going to be clear if a man wants you, okay? Now, if a woman wants you, I'm not quite sure. Let me focus on this topic, the man. Let's focus on the man. Woman next time. All right, so ladies, I'm talking to you. When a man wants you, it will be clear. Men, according to them, they are hunters. When they see what they want, when they see what they like, they go for it because they want it and they'll get it. Unless the woman is not interested, then they won't get it. Now, based on that sentence that I've just given you, what am I trying to say? If you're thinking in your mind, ooh, where do I stand? Where do I stand with this guy? What are we doing? Should I ask him? Should he tell me? Should we make it clear? Then you might need to question yourself if this man actually wants you. Because if he wants you, you don't need to worry or think or imagine, because he will let you know, babe, this is what I want. I like you. I want us to build something serious, and I see a future with you, and I want it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Okay? Unless the guy is a shy person or he's someone who doesn't communicate well, then you would need to maybe be the one to bring it up, or you have to read the signals he's giving you. Maybe he's talking about kids, he's talking about future, he's talking about building a life, settling down, without directly telling you or asking you or saying this is what I want with you. Don't mistake this with those that will still talk about future, but it's not you that have in mind. They'll be like, the man that will marry you is lucky. Well, it's not them. What you be thinking is them. No, that's not what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm talking about the ones that will make it clear that they want a future, but maybe with you, but they won't directly say it, but they'll show it in things they do, in the plans they're making. They'll say, babe, what do you think we should do about this? Should we get a house? Do you think we should invest? Do you think we should open a joint account? Do you think we should where do you think we might be in the next 2 years? Things like that. We, not I would like this for my future. Oh, I will. And you're not included in that plan. Then you need to talk about it, okay? So I've seen, why am I talking about this? I've seen many posts on Facebook. Dear happy, dear mama, dear this, dear that. I've been dating this man for the past 8 years. I've been dating this man for the past 5 years, even 2 months. And he's not making any move. He's not showing signs that he wants to settle down. Or he is. However, he's not being clear about it. What should I do? But what do you mean, what should you do? What should you do? Is it not clear? Yeah? Talk to him. Ask him, what's up? Oga, waiting the call. Let me know. Waiting. This ring down there here. This ring finger down there here. Nothing they enter. I mean, they see. Or maybe there's a ring, but nothing's been going on. Engagement ring, and 8 years later, no, nothing. You need to question this man. Because as they used to say, you're not one of the rings, are you? So, on a serious note, ladies, I don't think at this point we should be having most of these comments or posts about I need to know what he's thinking. I need to know where he stands. Do you think he wants me? Do you think he wants to marry me? We don't know because we are not him. He knows. Only he knows. So the only way to know is to ask him. Him, not us. Him. If you've asked him and he's said, I don't want to marry you, and don't come and be asking us, what do you think? Just take it as what it is, because he will not lie. Men won't say what they don't mean. If it's about, I won't marry you. They only say it, I will marry you, when they don't mean it to have sex or get citizenship or get money, whatever it is that you have to offer to them. So when they tell you things, listen and take it as it is. Don't say, oh, I will change his mind, I will change him. If he doesn't want you, he doesn't. Now, definitely, I'm not saying it's not possible that a man might be confused. Some might be not confused because, come on, just that they might be like, I want to marry this girl. However, my parents' marriage didn't work out, so I'm a bit scared. That's different. Okay, with time, if they accept to get help, they can get over it. That's different. However, if it's, oh, I'd like to marry one day, but I'm not ready, then they're not ready. In the next 2 years, you have to keep checking in and asking if they're ready. And they'll then see you as a nag, and then that's it. So you guys need to talk about, sit down, talk about it. There's no shy, there's no shame. It doesn't mean you're desperate. It doesn't mean that you're rushing. No. It just means that you need to know where your life is headed, so you know if to or to stay. Okay? I've been telling people these days, more first date. Okay, maybe not first, but second date. I'm asking you, what do you think? What's your plan? I'm asking you your genotype. I'm asking you your blood group because I fall fast and hard, and I'm not going to go on a third date if I don't know who you are, what you're on about. If I don't know your plans for the next 5 years or 2 years, let's say two. If you don't, if your plans within the next 2 years doesn't include marriage, more or at least engagement, we need to rethink or re-strategize. Okay, that's what I think. So to be honest with you, I know it's hard, it's easier said than done, but please, if you can, ladies, do try to sit down and have a talk. Communication, literally, it is key. Okay, it is. I'm only saying this because it was easier for me. My husband knew what he wanted. He told me from day one, when I was still pining after my ex. My husband told me, see, I like you and I want to build something serious with you. I want to build a future with you. So when you're over your ex, I'm here. So I was like, who's this one? I beg, please. But it worked out because he was my crush when I was in primary school, in secondary school. So I wasn't like, get out. I was like, okay, I beg, wait, Godi, I'm still in love with my ex, But when I wasn't, I gave heed to him because I always liked him anyway. And it worked out that it wasn't just a crush; it was actually something real. But I was busy going from man to man, looking for my man in other men when I should have just chilled and waited. But whatever. But yeah, that's it. That's me going off topic. So let me know in the comment section, ladies, what do you think about this topic? Am I blabbing nonsense, or is it easier said than done? Was it like that for you if you're married? Do you think it's always like this, or do you think sometimes the woman should take charge and take it by force? Let me know, and I'll see you next time. Remember to like and share. Bye.